Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great honor and pleasure to say a few words on this important occasion. One of the main characteristics of the Rome Statute is mainstreaming victims' rights in criminal proceedings. The Trust Fund for Victims was established directly by the statute as a subsidiary body of the Assembly of the States Parties. The role of civil society was critical in establishing the TFB as an essential element of the Rome Statute system. The TFB has been providing assistance to more than 400,000 victims since 2008 under the assistance mandate. As for the reparations mandate, so far the court issued 3 reparations orders in Lubanga, Katanga, and Almaty cases. Last year we started the implementation of some of these cases for the first time in the history of the court. After 20 years from Rome, the statute's promise of reparative justice is finally becoming a reality for victims. Still, there are a lot of challenges. Relevant proceedings generally take too long from victims' point of views. The TFB's reach is limited both in financial and human resources. Fragile security situations sometimes become an obstacle. To ensure that victims can regain their dignity and hope and restart their lives as soon as possible, we have to establish a legally sound and operationally viable mechanism for victims. Whether the TFB can provide meaningful redress to victims in present and future cases largely depends on the level of support from the states parties, which is the owner of the system. At present, the total 3 reparations orders amount to more than 13 million euros, and this surpasses the reparations reserve in the TFB. There is clearly a need for radical increase of voluntary contributions. I would like to request you to continue and further strengthen the support for the TFB. The Rome Statute's promise of reparative justice must be kept a reality for victims. Thank you for your attention.